Good morning. Are you Travis Smith? And Mr. Smith was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to theft of property with previous convictions. And I've received the pre-sentence report. Have you both had an opportunity to review that report?
I've read it, John.
I have, Judge.
Are there any additions or corrections?
No, well, one thing is it's an addition, and I just found out about it Friday. In the report, it says his mother abandoned him at 3, which is true. But she's now straightened herself out and she's helping run a rehab center in Lafayette, and it's going to become part of his life. He's got 2 uncles here. So he has, they're in the courtroom. He has strong family support.
Okay,
A lot stronger than what that says.
good. Thank you. I am also going to take judicial notice of the court's file. Mr. Smith was previously found not competent and was sent to the John Dunn Behavioral Science Center and restored competency. Any issues right now before sentencing with competency?
No, I think have you been taking your medicine in jail?
Okay.
I don't think so, yeah.
Okay,
I'd have to be a psychiatrist to truthfully answer it, correctly answer it.
All right, so Mr. Smith, I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney. Find you guilty of theft of property with previous convictions. Sentence you in accordance with that agreement to a term of 2 years in the state jail prison. But that will be probated for 5 years. So you'll be on probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay the $1,000 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. That is going to include being on the mental health caseload so that you can get whatever help you need. Follow all of those recommendations, meetings, medication, whatever. That's all part of your probation now. You do all of that. This is a great opportunity for you to get your life back on track. And you'll be able to serve that 2-year sentence while you're out on probation. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you'll be brought back into court and you could be facing that 2-year sentence that you've agreed to. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I'm handing you 2 things. One is the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you waived your right to appeal. I've also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Adams.
Judge's misdemeanor will be dismissed.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's what I
thank
was
you.
gonna say.
All right, so they'll get that misdemeanor dismissed as well as part of that this morning. Okay, good luck to you.
Thank you. He be released today.
He should be, yeah, as long as there's no other hold that misdemeanor, once if there's nothing else in the other county. But if it's just it, yeah, you should be released today, and you'll get some instructions today before you leave the courtroom from probation to tell you exactly what to do when you're released, okay? Okay.
Thank you, Honor.
Yes, sir.